Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a makeup look for glasses. I'm going to be doing my makeup to fit these glasses from Firmoo. If you're not familiar with Firmoo, they are a online optical company that specializes in trendy frames. They have prescription and non-prescription glasses, and all of their glasses are under $40. Most of them are under $39. They're very trendy, so if you wear glasses, this is an amazing company to buy frames because you can kind of switch up your look often, buy different colored frames, and pretty much they're so affordable and they're great quality glasses. These are the second set of glasses that I have from them. I did a more in-depth video about Firmoo. I will link it up above. I really love the quality. I really love how thin the lenses are. And I also love that they are non-reflective. I just don't want to put them on the whole time because I have a ring light in front of me and then you can kind of see it in the frames, but they are non-reflective and I love that I can kind of switch up my look. The other frames that I got were metal frames and they were round. So I've tried to get frames that I normally wouldn't go for. I do wear glasses. I'm nearsighted. I usually wear them to drive, and whenever I've had to purchase glasses before this company, I've always tried to get something that, you know, matched with everything, that was very like neutral and kind of plain, just because most frames are over $300. So I kind of felt like it was a waste to get, you know, a pair of red frames or, you know, something like too special that would only match like one thing. So I really love this company. So if you wear glasses a lot and you don't like to wear contacts, or you want to kind of get off of contacts and switch up your look a little bit, this is the perfect online optical store to take a look at. The quality is incredible and the shipping is pretty quick. So the look I'm going to be doing today, I went a little heavy. I wanted to do kind of a glam look. I feel that since these frames are very big, I feel like there's a lot of space that you have to be able to see my eyes and this whole area. So I kind of wanted it to stand out. I did eyeliner and I used this palette from Essence Cosmetics. It's called the All About Vintage eyeshadow palette. And the eyeshadows are really, really pigmented. They're very, very soft. And I also did not see a lot of fallout, which is great. This palette's like $5.99. It's from Ulta, so it's a drugstore look. The entire look is drugstore, and I use this emerald green color. It's so beautiful. I wanted to match my jewelry. These are amethyst green, you know, earrings and ring. And this color right here is like the perfect amethyst green to match my jewelry. So I really love the palette, and I pretty much did this whole look with all drugstore products, and I really like the way it looked. So if you're interested in watching my makeup look for glasses, just stay right there. So these are the glasses that were sent to me from Firmoo. I picked this style. I wanted something really big. I know they're really big for my face, but I think they're very trendy. I'll put the style down below that I got in the description box. And they do have a prescription and they are anti-glare, but you can see the ring light. I can see that in my glasses. So I'm gonna do a makeup look for these glasses, and I'm gonna show you how to avoid getting the mark right around here. So let's get started. Okay, so the first step, I'm gonna prime my face. I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Paris Magic Perfecting Base. I've been using this for a little while and it's really good. So I'm gonna start by, I'm definitely gonna prime my nose. That's like really important. So now that I've primed my face, I'm gonna use a lighter foundation today, just because the glasses do have weight and they are gonna sit on my face, like right around here and around the nose area. So I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Fit Me, and this one is for normal to oily skin, and I really love it. It's the matte and poreless one, and my color is 120 Classic Ivory. So the formula is a lot thinner than the foundation I normally wear. So I'm just gonna put dots on my face. I am loving this little makeup sponge, or shall I say big makeup sponge. It's so soft, oh my god, and it literally leaves the foundation looking airbrushed on. It's really good. So I'm gonna put a little bit under my chin. I'm going to color correct my eyes a little bit. I'm gonna use my favorite concealing palettes. These two are from L'Oreal. They're the Infallible Total Cover line. And I'm going to be color correcting with the peach color. I just feel like the magnifying of the glasses really will enhance my dark circles if I don't cover them up. I like applying concealer with my finger because it helps warm the product up and it helps it melt into my skin a little bit better. And now I'm going to use the other palette. This one is the concealing palette, and I'm going to use the lightest shade. Just going to pop that right over where I use the color corrector. So I'm gonna bake a little bit under my eyes and on the sides of my nose, and just like put a little bit of powder throughout my face just to make sure that it stays matte. I'm gonna be using this powder from Maybelline. This is the Master Fix, and it's loose powder and it's translucent. It's like a setting powder. So I'm just gonna tap some on the lid, just like that. And I'm gonna put my sponge, dip it in there. My sponge is a little damp. On the side, I'm going to put a little on the side of my nose. I'm going to use my beauty counter. It's like blush and bronzer. It's like a light bronzer. And I'm going to use my Morphe E4 brush. I'm going to go up. I'm just going to dust off the powder. I'm going to use my Morphe M527 brush. So I don't want to like contour my nose because the glasses are going to sit right here, but I do want to put some like on the bridge of my nose. I'm going to use this pink color that comes with the bronzer, and I just like to smile and put it on the apples of my cheek. So I'm going to blend out like the sides of my nose a little bit more. The powder kind of stayed a little heavy on there. So now I'm going to do my eyebrows, and I'm going to be using the Maybelline Brow Precise pencil. So I'm going to be using the Maybelline Brow Drama. I always use this stuff after I do my brows. I'm going to be using this palette from Essence Cosmetics. It's the All About Vintage. I'm just really hoping that this doesn't have a lot of fallout. I'm going to use this color down here. It's like the peachy color that they have. With this brush from Morphe, it's the M535. I'm going to be using this brown right here. I'm going to do like a bronzy look. I'm just going to tap that off. But this eyeshadow goes on really nicely, and these palettes are about $5. They're great. With the same brush, I'm going to use this green right here. I'm gonna use this synthetic flat brush, and I'm gonna be using this light color at the top, right over here, right above the pink one that I did. I'll put it right under my brow bone. So I'm gonna be lining my eyelids with Revlon Color Stay Skinny. And then I'm going to use my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. I've tried others and I still come back to this one. I love this mascara. I think it makes a difference when you have your eyelashes done. It gives it more of a flirty look. I'm gonna wear a nude lip since I have so much going on in the eyes, and I'm gonna be using the Milani Color Statement Lip Liner in color number 3. It's nude, and I'm gonna be using one of my favorite lipsticks of all time. It's number 800 Fairest Nude by L'Oreal, and it has like a creamy texture. And then what I like to do to really blend the colors in well, after I put the lip liner and this lipstick, I like to get my finger. It's a really pretty pale pink, and it matches with a variety of different skin colors. I feel that it looks really good. So that's pretty much the look, and let's see what it looks like with the glasses. So I hope you enjoyed my makeup look for glasses tutorial. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below so you never miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time.